Good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to read some sight words. Repeat each sight word after me. So let us begin. The first word is when. W-H-E-N. When. W-H-E-N. When. Who. W-H-O. Who. W-H-O. Who. Why. W-H-Y. Why. W-H-Y. Why. What. W-H-A-T. What. W-H-A-T. What. Next word is any. A-N-Y. Any. A-N-Y. Any. Ask. A-S-K. Ask. A-S-K. Ask. Also. A-L-S-O. Also. A-L-S-O. Also. R. A-R-E. R. A-R-E. R. Next word is this. T-H-I-S. This. T-H-I-S. This. That. T-H-A-T. That. T-H-A-T. That. These. T-H-E-S-E. These. T-H-E-S-E. These. Those. T-H-O-S-E. Those. T-H-O-S-E. Those. Next word is must. M-U-S-T. Must. M-U-S-T. Must. Said. S-A-I-D. Said. S-A-I-D. Said. Here. H-E-R-E. Here. H-E-R-E. Here. Like. L-I-K-E. Like. L-I-K-E. Like. Only. O-N-L-Y. Only. O-N-L-Y. Only. Some. S-O-M-E. Some. S-O-M-E. Some. Next word is they. T-H-E-Y. They. T-H-E-Y. They. Put. P-U-T. Put. P-U-T. Put. So friends, today we read some sight words. These words we read every day while reading simple sentences. Now, read these words again and write in your notebook neatly and learn. Thank you.